Today we're taking a look at this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L wheelchair accessible van. This Pacifica features a Freedom Mobility rear entry manual fold-out ramp conversion, giving you a spacious and practical layout for wheelchair users, families, and caregivers. This van has a sleek dark gray exterior and a premium black leather interior, giving it a modern, comfortable look inside and out. It only has 53,500 miles and is powered by Chrysler's dependable 3.6-liter V6 engine, making it a great option for daily driving, appointments, family use, and longer trips. The manual ramp is simple to operate. Just fold it out from the rear of the van and you have a smooth entry path into the lowered floor area. This rear entry layout is especially helpful because it allows the wheelchair user to enter straight from the back, which can be convenient in parking lots, driveways, medical facilities, and tighter spaces where a side entry ramp may not be ideal. The open lowered floor area gives caregivers and families room to maneuver and position the chair securely for transport. One of the things that really stand out about this Pacifica is the comfort level. The Touring L trim gives you a more premium feel, with a clean black leather interior and a comfortable cabin for both the driver and passengers. So if you're looking for a modern wheelchair accessible van with a spacious rear entry conversion, extra wide manual ramp, premium leather, and practical everyday usability, this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica is definitely worth considering. This van is only available at Automobility Store. Call us today at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com for more information, availability, financing options, warranty options, and nationwide delivery. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other wheelchair accessible vans, power chairs, mobility scooters, lift chairs, and mobility solutions.